writers! Welcome back. I'm glad you're here. Mrs. Malstadt here. How did it go with finding a topic from your expert list and then rehearsing across your fingers? Were you able to teach somebody all about your topic? Were you able to write down everything that you could remember from what you told? So I tried that out. After I told you all about my topic of cats, I wrote down everything that I could remember from what I told you. So let me read you what I wrote. Cats are amazing creatures. They make great pets. Cats don't need to go on walks and can stay indoors. They eat wet food or dry food and also need fresh water daily. They love to play with string and small toys. Cats have interesting body structures. They have whiskers to help them sense how wide a space is. Their whiskers are very sensitive. They also have tails to help them balance when they walk on narrow surfaces, like a fence. There are many breeds of cats. One fantastic breed, the Maine Coon, can get up to 17 pounds. They have long, fluffy fur and love human companionship. So writers, do you notice I have my ideas, but I just kind of wrote it down as one big blob on my page. So I thought maybe we could look at a nonfiction text today, and you could help me think about how I want to organize my writing, since this is just kind of a brain dump of ideas. So I have our book here, Emperor Penguins. And I'm noticing that there's a table of contents. And when I think about this table of contents, I think about how we had our topic, like cats. And then I'm wondering if each of our subtopics could be the table of contents. So if this whole book is about emperor penguins, each chapter is divided up into subtopics about emperor penguins. So they have meet the emperor penguin, what do emperor penguins look like, where do emperor penguins live, the underwater hunt of emperor penguins, and the life cycle of emperor penguins. So now that I've seen this text, I'm thinking that we can maybe divide up my writing into the subtopics to create a table of contents. So I start off by talking about how cats make great pets. And so I give some details as to why they make great pets. So I'm wondering if maybe up to here where I stopped talking about toys, if maybe this whole part here could be a chapter like cats make great pets. Okay. And so then I talk about the body structure. So I talked about the whiskers and the tail and how they're useful. And so I stopped talking about that here right before I move into talking about breeds. So this part could maybe be about cat structures. And then last is when I talk about the different breeds or types of cats. And so I could do here a chapter all about breeds. So then when you're thinking about your different sections or ideas that you have, you could think about turning these into a table of contents and starting your writing that way. So you can think, what's your topic? So my topic is cats. My subtopic 1 is going to be my first chapter. So my first subtopic is cats make great pets. My second subtopic is cat structures. And my third subtopic is cat breeds. And then I could list the facts. So writers, as you go off today, I encourage you to look at your writing and ask, did I kind of just dump all my ideas down? If you did, that's totally fine. That's what writers do. We get our ideas out on the page. But then after that, see if you can take a look and see if you can find places for your subtopics where you might divide up your writing just like they do in books with a table of contents. And then I encourage you to create your very own table of contents using the idea of your big topic and your subtopics being the different chapters. I'm excited for this work that you're about to do. Happy writing!